Hi, welcome to the closeout of Data-Driven Catalyst, our Fund-11 proposal in Catalyst system improvements. This quite unique challenge asks teams to submit proposals how Project Catalyst can be improved by doing research or development work. And we have a background in data science and decided to make available open source tools that are easy for the community to use, consolidate and clean data for funds 7 to 12, and present reports of how this data analysis can be used to tweak and fine-tune or improve parameters of Catalyst funds in the future. We also created an open source database and API and made available all the scripts and data sources on our GitHub repository, which provides a complete tutorial and walkthrough how this process can be used. So you can see here in the landing page README the entire flow that a user can take, learning, for example, about the Python libraries that we recommend to analyze past fund data. It explains what Project Catalyst is and how it creates data, how to work with fund data, including IPython notebooks. And there's also a large section on artificial intelligence, how Project Catalyst data could be used, for example, in dedicated LLM or other chatbot type or machine learning applications. We have created 20 sample data reports based on the data that we have downloaded from public sources, cleaned and prepared, and let the community vote on which ones they are most interested in, and then done 7 deep dive data reports. There's also a presentation, the town hall, to present our findings, and there is user instruction for database and API in much detail how the user can access this data in a convenient API way, but all the data is also available on the repository, easy for download, and there are lots of samples. And if you go back to the repository, what you can see here is, for example, that it says languages, HTML, 99%. That does not reflect the reality. Most of the scripts are actually in Python, but because we have created some interactive charts, for example, like this, or also like this tree map here, that are very, very large. So they take up a lot of space on the repository. But as I said, all the open source libraries are very easy to use. They are Python and they are open source. And then there is a lot of community feedback going on. So we have hosted 2 after town hall breakout rooms. We have presented at the main town hall. We had a long chat with the Project Catalyst team, and a lot of community members have also contributed issues, for example, to the repository. And then there's also a section how this data-driven Catalyst can move forward into the future of Catalyst. So, for example, when Catalyst Voices will replace Idea Scale sometime early next year, how the data formats can be used in the future. And we encourage the community to keep using our tools to fork the repository, create their own solutions, and contact us if they request any additional reporting or instructions how to use this. So the roadmap of this project was pretty much kept intact. So we started the work in May, outlining all the deliverables, established the tech stack, and created the manual for open source libraries. In July, we did the community voting feedback process on demand data. In September, released the database API and LLM guide in November. And on 18th of December, in the last town hall of this year, presented sample data reports for the entire community. You can find all the video recordings in the repository, all the links, all the feedback forms, and so on and so forth. Thank you very much.